This video we discussed about discount and discount percentage. Now I am going to explain discount and percentage discount further with few examples. With one example to be exact. I am not doing few examples. So there is a question here: a watch priced for $160 is sold for $100. Find the discount and the discount percentage. You can now very clearly see in this question there are two things given and two things are to be calculated. First of all, you need to gather the data from this question 160 and 100. What are these things? A watch price for $160 is sold for 100. So this definitely is the selling price. This is the selling price of the watch, and the watch was originally priced at 160. Means the shopkeeper actually wanted to sell it for $160. This is not the cost price of the watch on which the shopkeeper bought it for. We do not know how much he bought it for. This is the price for which he wanted to sell it. So this 160 becomes the original selling price, which is called marked price. I hope you remember, I explained it to you in the previous video. So the marked price is how much? $160, and the shopkeeper has to sell it at $100. This is the selling price at which he sold it. This is the selling price at which he wanted to sell. So this becomes the mark price. This becomes the actual selling price. Now the first thing that we have to find is discount, and after that we have to find percentage discount. So we have to find out discount. This is an unknown, and we have to find out discount percentage as well. If you remember the formula for discount and percentage discount, that's very good. Otherwise the formula are mentioned here. What is the formula for discount? We know discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Always remember, in this case, mark price will always be greater than the selling price. Nobody goes to a shop and tells the shopkeeper that you have marked this object for 500 rupees and I am going to buy it for 1000 rupees. Nobody does that. We all go to a shop, we either buy it at the original mark price or we want to buy it at a lower cost. We never tell the shopkeeper that we have marked it this much, I am going to pay you more. So for discount, mark price will always be more than the selling price. So how do I calculate discount? Mark price is how much? 160 minus selling price is how much? 100. So the discount is $60. Discount is also called the reduced price. I have told you that this is discount. Okay, so this is discount. Now the second thing that I have to find out discount percentage. For discount percentage, I have this formula and I have this formula. I can use both the formulas now. Discount percentage. If I want to use this formula, discount percentage, discount upon mark price, so this is an unknown. Do I know the discount now? I know the discount, I know the mark price, I can find out the discount percentage. If I want, I may also use this formula. This is still an unknown. This is there, this is there, this is also there. So you can see you could have calculated percentage discount if the question had not asked you to find out discount. But since the question had demanded to find out discount, I had to find out the discount, and once I have the discount, now it's up to me whether I use this formula or this one. I would prefer this because I do not have to find out discount again. Discount is always calculated as a percentage of the marked price unless mentioned otherwise, which hopefully will not be done. Discount, how much discount do I have? 60. What was the original mark price? Original mark price was 160 multiplied by 100. I can cancel the 0 with this one. 6 and 16, they will get cancelled with each other by 2. 3 over 8, and then 8 will be cancelled by 4. This will become 2. This will become 25. 3 multiplied by 25 is 75 divided by 2, and 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. person. So a discount of 37.5% was given to the customer. That's it. That's a lot. So I'll discuss a few more questions on this topic in the next video, and then we'll see whether we can continue our written work by this explanation, or do I have to explain more. Thank you so much. If you find it difficult to understand, and if you need to if you want me to explain more questions, do let me know. I'll try to explain them, and hopefully for this topic you won't need much of my assistance. It's an easy topic. Thank you.